Good morning, y'all. Today is going to be another Porsche day. I'm taking the 996 out. There's apparently some 75th anniversary Porsche events going on around the Bay Area. I'm going to be heading up to Redwood City, checking out what's over there. The event starts in 17 minutes. So I was hoping to get a car wash, grab some coffee, and head over, but we'll see. I do have a surprise for you all. Me and Jarek worked on the car earlier this week, and it looks pretty good, at least for the rears. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a sec. Oh, one last thing before we head out. So today I'm rocking my Porsche shirt with two O's, as you can see. This is gonna be pretty fun, wearing this to a Porsche event. Obviously the funny part is I'm driving a 996, and it's always been considered the poor man's Porsche. And I feel like it still kind of is to this day, right? I can't really find a 911 cheaper. These shirts, by the way, are on sale. They're 20% off for Father's Day, and these shirts are loved by dads and daddies alike. So if you have a dad or a daddy, check out the link right here, iscostudios.com. But let's get going, y'all. Ooh. So just to let you know what we did, we lowered the back side of the turbo a pretty good amount. I think we lowered it about 3/4 of an inch. That looks nice and meaty. This is actually rubbing a little bit, like right here. You can't get your finger much past that. Let's see if I can get my key in this way, but I can't get a key in this way. So that should tell you how close this is. And whoa, that is not good on my fenders. Honestly, it looks nice and slammed. Check that out. I honestly think it makes the front look a little high in comparison, but whatever. This is a cool little 463 right here. It's a G320. This is the second overlanding G I've seen today, so I probably missed a G meet somewhere. Looks like the wash has been down for like an hour. We're just out here, so I guess I'm just gonna go. I'll show you guys how dirty it is. It's not too bad. It looks like I just went on a, few 100-mile road trip, but it's all good. I guess I could just pick some stuff out, call it a day. There you go. You won't even know the difference, and that's a dead bug. That's definitely a dead bug. Alrighty, y'all. I guess I'm heading to Redwood City with a nice dirty car. So I'm pulling up to the Porsche meet, and I'm getting some crazy rubbing out of the back. I think I might have gone a little too low. I guess we're gonna see who can help me out today. I'm gonna try to hit up my buddy Anthony, the rub doctor, and see if he can help me out, because this is not good. I don't want to keep driving around like this and buckle a fender again. I did that one time and that sucked, so let's see if I can save it. We made it. Ooh, let's see how my fenders are looking when I park. Porsche Redwood City. Oh, they got flags everywhere, huh? And cars are coming in, coming out. All right, y'all, so we're officially parked. And I swear I'm the dirtiest car here. When I was pulling in, I was looking around, and every car is kind of nice looking. And they're like show ready, and this thing is covered in dust. And you saw the front, it has bugs everywhere. It'll be fun. Okay, fenders are still in one piece. That's great. I wonder if it rubbed itself in. No, it didn't. Okay, no, it's still very sharp. That sucks. Okay. But good to know, good to know. outside the event, Anthony got back to me and he's gonna be able to help me out with my fenders. On the bright side, that was an awesome event. Shout out Porsche Redwood City. Little swag bag. I think, oh, I got a Porsche flag. Nice, and I think there's a shirt in here. So that's awesome. But all right, we're off to Hayward. Hello. Coming from the Porsche event too, or what? Oh, that thing's nice. All right, y'all, so Anthony just finished up. Shout out to the Rub Doctor. I'm gonna go ahead and drop his Instagram right here. The turbo should be all good to go. I got my fenders rolled, and we threw on the 8mm spacers that I've been kind of lagging on lately, but check it out. So that fitment right there, it pokes out ever so slightly right there along the body. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that fitment is nice and flush right now. Yeah, check that out, check that out. Boom. Right there. 8mm spacer makes a huge difference. Let's check out the other side. Good poke on that. And there you have it, folks. We're done. Another day in the life of me and my 996. You know, that Porsche event was really awesome. I can't wait to open up that bag and see what else is in there. I think I'm ready to call it a day. It's nice and hot here and I'm burning up. But anyways, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all. Peace.